Fundamental primitives, points, lines, polygons, building complex objects with meshes, introduction to parametric surfaces. Fundamental primitives, definition of fundamental primitives, points, lines, polygons, explanation of each primitive with simple examples, importance of these primitives in building complex shape. Points. Points are the simplest geometric primitives and have no dimension. They represent a single location in space. Example, think of a dot on a piece of paper, indicating a specific location. That dot represents a point. Importance. Points serve as the foundation for defining other geometric objects. They are used as reference locations for constructing lines, polygons, and other shapes. Lines. Lines are one-dimensional geometric objects that extend infinitely in two directions. Example, a straight line drawn between 2 points on a piece of paper. Importance. Lines provide direction and connectivity between points. They are essential for defining and boundary shapes as well as for measuring distances and angles. Polygons. Polygons are two-dimensional shapes formed by connecting a sequence of straight line segments to enclose a region. Example, a triangle, square, or any other closed shape made up of straight sides. Example, a triangle, square, or any other closed shape made up of straight sides. Importance. Polygons are crucial of representing complex shapes in computer graphics and geometry. They can approximate curves, enclose areas, and define boundaries. They are extensively used in computer modeling, simulation, and rendering. Points. Definition of points in geometric modeling. Usage example of applications. Illustration of how points are represented in 2D and 3D space. In geometric modeling, a point is a fundamental geometric entity that represents a precise location in space. Usage examples and applications. Graphics and computer-aided design, or CAD, points serve as building blocks for creating more complex shapes and structures in CAD software. Engineers, architects, and designers use points to define the vertices of polygons, lines, curves, and surfaces. Computer graphics and animation. Points are utilized in rendering algorithms to create realistic 2D and 3D graphics. They are the basis for generating objects, characters, and environments in video games, movies, and virtual reality simulations. Robotics and motion planning. Points play a crucial role in robotics for defining the position and orientation of robotic arms and efforts and target destinations. They are used in algorithms for path planning, motion control, and collision detection. Geographic information systems. Points are employed to represent geographical features such as landmarks, cities, and geographic coordinates, latitude and longitude. GIS software utilizes points for spatial analysis, mapping, and location-based decision making. Mathematical modeling and simulation. Points are essential in mathematical models of physical phenomena such as particle systems, computational simulations, and molecular dynamics. They represent particles, atoms of discrete elements within the system being studied. Lines. Definition of lines in geometric modeling. Types of lines: straight, curve, dash, and etc. Application of line in various fields. Types of lines. Straight lines. These are lines that maintain constant direction and do not curve. They can be horizontal, vertical, or diagonal. Curved lines. Lines that deviate from straight paths, forming curves. Examples include arcs, circles, ellipses, and parabolas. Dash lines. Lines composed of a series of sharp, interrupted segments. They are commonly used to represent hidden or non-continuous portions of objects in technical drawings or diagrams. Spline curves. These are smooth curves that pass through a set of control points. They are widely used in computer graphics and CAD, computer-aided design, for creating complex shapes and surfaces. Applications of lines in various fields: engineering and architecture, computer graphics and animation, mathematics and geometry, cartography, fashion design, digital art, and design. Polygons. Definition of polygons in geometric modeling. Examples of polygons: triangles, quadrilaterals, etc. Importance of polygons in modeling surface. Polygons are fundamental shapes in geometric modeling defined by a closed plane figure bounded by straight sides. In simple terms, they are shapes with three or more straight sides that connect to form closed figures. Polygons are crucial elements in computer graphics and geometric modeling due to their versatility and simplicity. Examples of polygons include triangles, which have three sides, and quadrilaterals, which have four sides. Other examples include pentagons, five sides, hexagons, six sides, and so forth. The importance of polygons in modeling surfaces stems from the ability to approximate complex shapes with simpler geometry. By breaking down a surface into a mesh of polygons, geometric modeling techniques can represent intricate objects more efficiently. This is particularly useful in computer graphics, where rendering complex shapes directly can be computationally expensive. Polygons provide a way to represent surfaces in a number of vertices, edges, and faces, facilitating operations such as rendering, manipulation, and simulation. Additionally, many rendering algorithms and techniques are optimized for polygonal meshes, making them a standard choice in geometric modeling and computer graphics. Meshes. Introduction to meshes as a way to represent complex objects. Definition of mesh. Collection of vertices, edges, and faces. Explanation of how meshes are used in computer graphics and simulations. Definition of mesh. A mesh is a fundamental concept in computer graphics and simulations. It's essentially a collection of vertices, edges, and faces that collectively define the shape of a three-dimensional object. Vertices. These are points in space, often represented by their coordinates x, y, z. They serve as the basic building blocks of the mesh. Edges. Edges are the line segments connecting pairs of vertices. They define the boundaries and contours of the object. Faces. Faces are polygons formed by connecting three or more vertices with edges. These faces fill the enclosed regions of the object and define its surface. How meshes are used. Visual representation. Meshes are primarily used to visually represent complex objects in computer graphics. Rendering. In rendering, meshes are used as the basic geometry that is processed and transformed to generate a final image. Simulation. Meshes are also essential for simulations in various fields such as physics, engineering, and medicine. Animation. In animation, meshes serve as the basis for characters, models, props, and environments. By manipulating the vertices of the mesh over time, animators can create lifelike movements and expressions, bringing characters and objects to life as screen.